Hey everyone, welcome back. So as promised, today I am finally going to do the Q&A video you all requested for a lot. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get answered. So here I've got a diary which has all the questions you sent me. So in total I have around 30 questions. So that's a lot. So let's see how many we can answer today. Maybe I'll have to make a part 2. So let's start. So the first question is that how are you balancing study and YouTube? So this question is from one of my cousins, and yeah, it's a very nice question. So you all know that I post once a weekly. So like today is the video of the week. So what I do is I keep 2 days away from the week, and one day I shoot for it, and the second day I edit and then upload. So the rest of the weeks I keep it for my study. So that's how I schedule it. Okay, so question 1, check. Okay, when did you start learning crafts? When drawing became your hobby? How you got the idea of uploading your creations on YouTube? What was your friend's reaction when you told them about your channel? So these are loads of questions. So my best friend sent me these questions. So let me answer them one by one. When did you start learning crafts? Now, when did I start them? Like since I was 4 or 5, I had really interest in all the arts and crafts. So you can say I started from that time. Okay. When drawing became your hobby? So same answer goes for this one. How you got the idea of uploading your creations on YouTube? So I have done many creations, so I also wanted people to see them or maybe even learn from them if they wanted to, and like I just wanted to share my creations with everyone, so that's why I opened it. What was your friends' reactions when you told them about your channel? Okay, so my friends were very happy for me, and also my friends had some YouTube channels of their own. So like I always wanted to open my own channel, so I also did. And then when I told my friends about it, they were so happy. Okay, then who inspired me to open my YT channel? Inspirations. Okay. So one of my inspiration, you can say, is Shivangi Sa, who is the owner of the YouTube channel, The Design Palette. Like I really like her. She is my inspiration. And also one way to improve your art is to have an inspiration. Okay, so yeah, I'll just give the link to her YouTube channel in the description below. Okay, then what is the reason behind my channel? So I have maybe 50% already answered this. So again I'm repeating, the reason behind my YT channel is to share all my creations with you all, and then maybe even teach you all something. I can also learn from you a lot, from your suggestions, from your feedback. So yeah, and these 2 questions were from my cousin. Like I've got loads of cousins. Do you like playing with slime? Yes, I love playing with slime, but unfortunately all this time I have only got that barrel O slime, that jiggly one, which I hate. And then like all the slimes I've got, they weren't really good quality. And then like I've also tried to make some, but then all the time they were a great failure. So yeah, but then I love playing with it. Okay. How do you feel after completing 1 year on YT? So I am super duper happy. I am so happy from this journey that we have passed through. And also if you want the link for the celebration, it will be in the description below. What's your favorite song? Now actually I don't quite have a favorite song, because I don't listen to songs only. So yeah. Then how do you want your next birthday to be? How do I want my next birthday to be? So first of all, I'll share the link of my birthday celebration in the description, and my next birthday. So I don't know how it should be. Like I just want it to be a surprise. Like I have always wanted to be like, I am sleeping, and then in midnight my parents or friends are like doing all the decorations for me, like a grand celebration, and then I wake up and then I get a big surprise. Oh, that's what I want. Okay. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. And then what is your favorite food? Everything except vegetables. Okay, so all these questions were from my another cousin, so she must be knowing it if she's watching this video. Okay, who is my inspiration? I have already answered that. And then where you want to see yourself in next 5 years. Okay, so in next 5 years or maybe the coming years, I really want to improve my art. I want to be in everyone's YouTube because I want them to see my creations. So yeah. This was from my dad's colleague. Okay. Which one was the best moment for you while uploading your achievements? Okay. So I think the best moment for me was unboxing my birthday gifts, because like in that it was raining chocolate, not cats and dogs, it was raining chocolates. Like I literally got 44 chocolates, but that's 8, but whatever. Yeah, so the link for it will also be in the description. Okay, and how this journey helped you in your academics? Okay, so this journey, like arts, is so beneficial for you. Like it has so many benefits that I can't even name. Like definitely it improves your concentration, it makes you creative, so you know, we get concentration also. Yeah, and all these questions was from my neighbor. Okay. What type of videos do you make? I make like all kinds of videos, like crafts, art, vlogs, etc. So if you want, you can check out my channel. How many followers do you have on Insta, YT, and Facebook? Okay, so Instagram and Facebook, I'm not having that, so no followers. And then YT, you can just check it. You know, so far we have around 75. How many friends do you have, and what do you do for increasing your followers and subscribers? Okay, friends, I've got many. Like I've got a huge friend circle, and like I don't know how many friends I have, but then I definitely have a friends group on my WhatsApp, so yeah. And then for increasing my followers and subscribers, well, you can say only subscribers, I try to put like really entertaining, fun, learning and inspirational videos for like art, crafts, and then vlogs, and like I try to make you all travel with me in my vlogs. Okay, then this was from my best friend too. So as you watch Shark Tank, what inspires you that you watch it with full enthusiasm? What's the main motive of watching it? Okay, so yeah, if you don't know, then Shark Tank is a show in Set India, and I really like it because like their sharks are so like fun and they are entertaining, and then they teach us every day something new, and then I really like to view the products people make. So yeah, that's why I like it so much. And this was also from one of my cousins. And then, what are your plans in order to provide more innovative, informative, creative, and giving more fun on your project? Okay, so this one is from my uncle. Yeah, so I think I've kind of already answered it. I try to make more fun, entertaining, inspirational, motivational videos for you. Okay, so 2 more questions he asked, that where do you want to see yourself in next 5 years, and how do I balance my study and YouTube? So that is already answered. So yeah, that's it for my questions. And also I got a dare from my cousin, not a question, a dare, that if you have been following me, I posted a video of going to my hometown. It's going to be in the description below. So there we all cousins meet and they have loads of fun. So my cousin just apparently have thought to be some like really weird steps and dance steps, and she wants me to do it here in all front of you. Okay. So I'm a bit nervous because it's very weird. So I think I can also give you a little tutorial on it. Okay, so there are 3 steps in total. So the first step is that you just gotta cross your arms like that, and then you gotta jump, but then you gotta lift one of your legs up and then just do it alternatively. So yeah, that's the first step. And then the second step is that you just clap your hands up and down, right and left, and then you gotta move your body right to left while jumping like that, and then you just combine both the steps together, and yeah, that's it. So thank you everyone for watching and also for sending me your questions. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.